The mass media and popular culture have bombarded us with negative and stereotypical portrayals of the irresponsible black man.
Aged from 1983 to 1999, I didn't know who my father was. You left me, and look how well I turned out. I would love to do that to my father.
In the world, you see a lot of black men not being there for their kids. But the problem is there's so many that are.
And go as a father, I don't want to fall into the stereotype of not being there for my kids.
So I want to be the first man that she loves.
This generation, I've noticed, there is more black men involved with their children than any other time.